We've learned a few things about the E13 since we've been in it that we wanted to share with you that are different from our E23 or the other Escape trailers. We're going to start on the business side here of Ellie, our little Escape 13, with the connections. You have a typical freshwater fill station with a city water connection like you do on any of the other Escape trailers. So what this means is you can open this little knob here and you can fill fresh water into the 20-gallon tank on board and then cap it up, and you can travel with water and have water in your tank. Or you can connect a hose here from your water connection and it connects directly to the sink like a city water connection would. Unlike the other Escape trailers, the E13 does not have a gray water tank. So instead, you take this little cap off of this port here, attach a little hose, ours is 6 feet, and then we have a 6-gallon bucket here. And what happens is the water from the sink drains directly out of this port here and into this little bucket, which we can then easily dump into the dump valve at the campground, or we can dispose of properly in other ways. We do not have a black water tank in the E13 because we don't have a bathroom, but Joel's covered all of that in another video. So the sink works similarly to any other sink, except for when you turn the water on, the water leaving goes directly out that port connected to that little tank we have externally. So up here you can turn the water pump on to use the onboard tank, or you can have it connected to the city water connection and you can turn the pump off at that point. In order to switch that connection over from tank to city water, so this valve, when it's turned to the right like this, is in the city water connection point, and when it's turned upright like this, then you're pulling water from your tank. So you do need to flip this when you change your water source. So the water system in this little E13 is why it's so lightweight, simple, and easy to use. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.